jazz, and we are the sons and daughters of a dance revolution, revolving over lost shadows of freedom, and we shall overcome someday. But until that day, we pray for the slaves that sleep. We are a nation dancing under the spirits of moonlight, and gather like the Mayans who broke bread to break beats like we kids back in '88 did. A nation that came to beat street from the avenues of defeat, break dancing through the impossible to eat. The fruits of labor never tasted so sweet. We had Buddhist monks challenge the Egyptians to b-boy battles, and had Gandhi typing up graffiti in the bathroom walls of the club, where he left messages to the dancers and the DJs to tell the people that you may be black, you may be white, you may be Jew or Gentile, but it never made a difference in our house, cause our house has connected across nations in 360-degree ciphers. Where quote, yo, let me get up in that circle, son, so I can sweat out the stress for the week in the name of kingdoms to come. I am the son of sun, moving in parallel rhythms to the drum, expanding pores into time portals, so every time I sweat, you can see the reflection of my ancestors on my fair skin. You and I can win this battle against capitalist oppression. All we gotta do is just move to the music, groove to this music, feel this music in your bone marrow with Cupid's arrow stuck in your hip bone now. Fall in love with us and mention this in your prayers at night.